come out very positive now. What's go? Umar Gul, Shahid Afridi, both go down. No, one of these got to be up for the throw.
It's like watching synchronized swimming.
Wood. Well bowled. Excellent delivery. In swinging Yorker. Darren Goff always throws himself into his work. And has a little bigger setup up here. So he did exactly so. Let's give him a start. And here he is, Bobby Dazzler, having a bit of fun.
With the Grand Midwest Hotel Master Blaster Award, $500 belong to Shahid Afridi. May I invite the Pakistani skipper to please come forward. 49 of 29 balls. Miss Zara Shah will present the award.
Tell you it's a matter of the soil. A little relaxed atmosphere.
Called on a big effort from Walsh and Bishop, and he got that. Also from Benjamin. They put it in their pocket. Umpire Mitchley forgot to give it back.
There it is again. There it comes. She's got no idea. No idea it's coming. Oh, no! At least you can smile. Come on, you can smile. That's fine. Oh dear. I feel sorry for her. I wonder if she had a phone in. Oh, it's got him. It's got him. He's down. Either. And they're going over to look after him. Well, Steve Bucknall went over there signalling dead ball. I'll tell you who isn't going to be happy.